It's all about heartfulness. You wake up in the morning, usual bathroom stuff, meditate afterward for a few minutes. I generally meditate for 25 to 30 minutes and then have breakfast or read a book for a few minutes. Go to office, spend a day there in the office, interact with people there, launch new projects or new whatever it is, and come back home. While coming back home, I would rather play some music or listen to some inspirational talks by great guys. And once I reach home, I adopt that process of cleaning. Before I interact with family members, I go to my basement, sit down and do the cleaning of the impressions that we collect knowingly or unknowingly. We come back with so many emotions, right? And let me give you a small example why these impressions can be a problem. You go to a gym, you're all sweaty, and you come and hug your mommy or your spouse and say, oh, but you are sweating and smelly. They'll say, run away. Though they love you, please don't, not now. See? Likewise, impressions also we collect from, our daily routine, which is unavoidable. Once we come home, we try to erase them. You will feel so refreshed, unbelievably refreshed after going through this process. Then you start, you are ready to mingle with family members. Once you have a routine, I think, a daily routine, your friends will also understand, your boss will also understand. Our boss will also understand about you that no, not to disturb you between these hours. Once you have a fixed timing, they know, everybody knows that you are busy with this spiritual practice.